Para and Fandar are located in areas. KPK. Gilgit-Baltistan. Kashmir. None of these. Answers. Gilgit-Baltistan. Which of the following rivers are located in Baluchistan? Dashed. Corally. Job. All of these. Answer. All of these. The correct form of the email address is info@user-name website.com. Name at website.com. None of these. Answer. Name at website.com. SQL stands for in computer. Structural language. Structured query language. Structure quotient language. None of these. Answer. Structured query language. Peripheral devices are connected on motherboard, display, hard disk. None of these. Motherboard. Peripheral devices are connected on motherboard, display, hard disk. None of these. Answer. Motherboard.